Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a DNS TXT record for domain verification in Hostinger. It's actually a very simple process. First, log into your Hostinger hPanel. From the top menu, click on Domains. Now find the domain you want to verify and click on Manage next to it. On the left side menu, select DNS/nameservers. Scroll down a little and you'll see a list of DNS records for your domain. Here's what to do next. Under Type, select TXT. For the name, type @ For the TXT value, copy it from the service or third party that asked you to verify your domain and paste it here. Choose your TTL. The default option is usually fine. Finally, click on Add Record. That's it. The TXT record is now added. It may take a few minutes to propagate, and once it does, your domain will be verified successfully. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials.